welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday today, October 11th. It is a gorgeous sunny day outside. The weather is a little bit crisp and cool. It's a really nice fall autumnal day today. It's putting me in a really good mood, but I've actually been quite sick the last few days. Not like bedridden sick, but I've just like my throat has been hurting a bit. I've had a bit of a cough, but I think today is the last day. I feel like everything is kind of like coming out. It's like I feel a bit congested, but I think it's like on its way out. I've actually really been craving some homemade veggie soup. That is one of my favorite things to make, and I'm gonna have it today, and I thought I would film it for you guys and show you how I make it. I'm actually gonna try a totally new recipe today. I usually make my veggie soups with like a tomato base, but today I'm gonna try something different, and it's just full of goodness and vitamins and nutrients, and that's my type of food. That's what I like to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the grocery store right now and just pick up some things that I need for the soup, and I'll just let all the veggies and the spices and everything kind of like simmer together, so when we sit down and eat it tonight, it's going to be nice and delicious. Also, I really like how my makeup turned out today. I used more like pinky tones, again, for this kind of like new weather. The lipstick that I'm wearing is different. I'm gonna show that to you guys. And on my eyes, I put quite a bit of blush and bronzer as like my eyeshadow, but I doubled up on the blush, and I think it's so pretty. It gives this really nice like pinky kind of autumnal color to the lids without being too overpowering. I got the cutest PR package from Pixie, and I'm wearing this color today. It is called Really Rose. It is so beautiful, and it says it's a matte last liquid lip infused with rosehip oil. It's long wearing. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on. So it's still on the neutral side. It's just a little bit more colorful. It has a little bit more of like a pinky-ness to it, and I really like it. So thanks so much to Pixie. And on my skin today, I'm wearing this foundation from Ilia. They're more natural makeup line, so they don't contain a lot of the harsh irritants and like too many chemicals. So it's really good for your skin, or better for your skin than like the traditional foundations. The only thing that kind of sucks is that the color is just a little bit too light for my skin, and the one that's darker than this is super dark. So that's kind of what I struggle with a little bit, but overall this foundation is beautiful, and it's really nice if you have more sensitive acne prone skin, or you just want to use makeup that's a little bit cleaner with the ingredients. And then the blush that I used today is the Melba blush from MAC, one of my all-time favorites. So I just put a little bit more of this on my lids today and in my crease as an eyeshadow, and I love the way that it looks, especially with this lipstick. I think they complement each other really well, and it's still quite subtle, but just a little bit different. So I'm going to head to the grocery store to pick up some things that I need for the soup, and then we'll get cracking. I'll show you how I make it. Hopefully it turns out good. So I'm back home. I've just put all of the veggies that I'm going to be using for my soup on my counter. So these are the ingredients that I will be using today. Really simple, really nutritious. We've got 3 leeks, some stalks of celery, parsnip, sweet potato, parsley, ginger. This is going to be really good. Some garlic. I'm going to use the juice of 1 lemon. We've got some carrots and an onion, and then just a little bit of veggie broth. You could also use the liquid one. And then this is some turmeric. So I'm going to prep all of these veggies. So I'm going to peel the sweet potatoes, the carrots, chop everything up, and you will see it in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! All done. So we've got the leek, the celery, the parsnip, sweet potato, ginger, parsley, lemon, carrots, and onion with some garlic on top. So I'm actually going to take this first. So I've just poured a little bit of water into my pan. I'm gonna first add the onions and the garlic. Just gonna let that simmer for a little bit. And then gonna take the leeks and the carrots and the rest of the other veg. I'm also gonna add about a tablespoon of turmeric, that beautiful yellow color. Maybe just a little bit more. Some fresh black pepper, and about 2 teaspoons of organic veggie stock. And then fill it up with water. I think that's good. And just give it a little stir. It already smells so good. That ginger. And I'm just going to let that sit for pretty much the whole day. I'm gonna let it come to a boil, and then once it's boiling, I'm gonna turn it down and just let it simmer so that it can cook and marinate and get all delicious throughout the day. I am so in love with this new blazer from Massimo Dutti. It's in this beautiful navy tweed print. It is so gorgeous, and I'm just wearing it with the same white jumper from Zara that I was wearing before. This is the one with the gold buttons that I showed in my recent fall haul, and I think the gold goes really well with my bag as well. And also my boots are from Zara. I also showed these in a previous haul, and my jeans are from a Good American. They are so comfortable, and they're so black as well, like they haven't faded. So yeah, really loving this outfit today. So we are looking for some skincare products for Mo this time. He usually uses my stuff, but you want some of your own, right?
I got very good stuff.
Gonna be glowing.
You're gonna see my vlog.
He's already glowing.
There is one product which I love, and I was searching for it, and I found it, I think.
So we are back home, and I just dished us some soup. Smells so good. I just garnished it with some parsley and some fresh black pepper and a little bit of lemon juice as well.
I'm gonna try this delicious looking, good looking soup. I'm sure I'm gonna like it.
Really?
This is so good. I taste ginger.
Yeah, there's ginger in it.
This is so delicious, really. I love it.
Aww.
Really, it's so good.
Thank you.
Wow.
It's Mo approved. Hello guys, it is Saturday today. It is around 8 o'clock in the morning. I am feeling so much better today. Yesterday I was still not all that well. Like I thought that it was going to be over on Thursday, but I had one more day in me. So I just took the day to relax. I just did work at home. I had lots of lemon and ginger tea and just tried to really like get back to feeling like myself, because when I'm sick, I'm not myself. But today I'm feeling so much better. I've woken up early, I've done my routine, I'm feeling really good, and now I'm gonna do my first workout in a few days. It's been, I think, almost 1 week, so I am super excited. I'm first gonna do a bit of Pilates and yoga at home with Boho Beautiful on YouTube, and then at 10:45 there is a body pump class at my gym, which I'm gonna go to and like work my whole body, but I want to do a bit of extra core work before that. myself a little smoothie before I head to my body pump class. Usually I like to work out on an empty stomach, but I am so hungry, so I just need something in my belly. So we've got some spinach in here, some celery, some frozen mango, frozen banana, wheatgrass powder, barley grass powder, the juice of 1 lemon, ginger. I don't know if I already said that. I'm just gonna add some water to this, blend it up. So I'm gonna have this small one now, and I'm gonna pour the rest in a bigger jar for later. Yum. Look at that color though. I'm back home from the gym. I've showered, done my makeup, gotten dressed, and guess what I'm having for lunch? I'm having some leftover veggie soup from the other day. It is so delicious, and I always like to make a really big portion so that I can keep it and have it over the next few days. This is the foundation that I'm wearing today. It's a new one from Kaiser Weiss. It's not new, but it's new to me. It is a cream foundation. This is another more natural foundation that I wanted to try, and I really like it. I think a lot of the ingredients are even organic, so it is really good for your skin. And as I mentioned before, the Ilia foundation that I was wearing was a little bit too light for my skin, but this color is really nice. I think it matches me perfectly. It's in the shade Transparent, and it's a nice kind of warmer like golden brown. I applied it with this Zoeva Petite definer brush, or defined brush. And this is my very cozy casual outfit today. These jeans are from A Gold. I love them so much. My top is from Mango, my belt is Gucci, my shoes are Dior, and of course the staples, my Celine Sunnies, and my favorite bag of all time. And my perfume today is going to be this one from Cartier. This is actually a recent gift from Mo, and I really like it. So you just pop this little thing down. So good. So we can chat now. I was running a little bit late, but now I'm actually waiting for Mo. We've got some errands to run in the city, and one of the errands is actually quite exciting. I had a necklace and earring set kind of designed a few weeks ago. So I've got this really nice diamond tennis bracelet that I've had for years and years, but it's a little bit too big for me. So I went to the jewelers and they've removed 3 stones from the bracelet so that it fits me better. And then with the remaining diamonds, I've had a necklace and earring set made, and I'm really excited to see what they look like, and also just to have my bracelet back, and they've like polished it and everything. And then tonight we've got a really nice spa appointment booked at this like Turkish hammam kind of spa bath thing. It starts at 6 and it finishes at 9, so it's a 3-hour treatment, and within that I think we're gonna do like the sauna and a scrub, and then there is a 60-minute massage like within this time. I think there are also some different pools and like wellness spaces. I've got my swimming suit in a bag right here, and also some makeup remover and like things that I need just to get myself ready, or for better words, to get myself unready. So these are the pieces. This is my bracelet, and we had 3 diamonds removed just to make it fit a bit better. These are the earrings, and then this is the necklace. They also polished my bracelet, so it looks extra sparkly and fresh and new. But this is like, I think over 10 years old now, maybe even 15 years old. So beautiful. And this is the necklace. We just put it on a slightly thinner chain just so that it looks a little bit more dainty. It is now around 10:30 at night. We've gotten back from the massage, I've showered, washed my hair. We got like a full treatment. So we got a body scrub, we got a like foam massage thing, and then an oil massage, and we went to the sauna and like a hammam, like a steam room. So now I feel as fresh as could be, and it's also really nice to do something like that after you've been sick, to just kind of pamper yourself a little bit. So now I'm all showered and hair is washed. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow we are going to be shooting another video. It's going to be a fall lookbook outfits type of video. I'm really excited to shoot that. And yeah, so I'm going to wrap up this vlog right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me the last few days. Let me know what you guys would like to see in these vlogs, if there's a specific topic or a thing that you really enjoy from the vlogs and that you would like to see more of, so I know what to include in next week's vlog. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.